let's see how to check financial results in OneSea Drive.
Income and expenses by sales orders shows profitability of orders. So we can analyze these numbers here. Then net sales report shows the margin as well. And we can generate a profit and loss statement to see the results. Here you go. But this is not the end, because our accounting department registers supplier invoices at the end of the month for manufacturing overheads as well as office supplies and some payroll costs.